Hey y'all, it's Sammmieepoo. Okay, today I'm just gonna do a little natural, quick face beat. This time I want to try the brow pencil because my sis just got it from Sephora and your girl had to try it. It's the Precisely My Brow Pencil by Benefit. So I basically try to imitate little hair strokes. I brush it down on this part right here so that I can see all the gaps. Yep, feels me. Brush up for the same reason. But alright, next I am outlining my eyebrow and highlighting my brow bone with LA Pro Growth Concealer. I think medium beige. Pretty sure medium beige. I'll double check. I'll put it in the description though. To the top of the brow, I recommend using whatever foundation you're going to use all over your face today / all throughout the winter. I don't know why I said today. I use the Fenty foundation. My shade for the winter is 340. I don't remember the name of it, but you know what I'm going to say. I'm going to put it in the description. On to the face. I'm priming my face, y'all. Always prime your face. I'm using Smashbox Photo Finish. Right? Yeah. I put it mostly in my T-zone. That's where I need it, on my nose and up under my eyeballs. And before I started this, I moisturized my face with Aveeno. Alright, the way I like to apply foundation, and I want to point this out because I feel like it makes a difference, is like so, as you see right there. Because I feel like it's easier to blend rather than, you know, putting dots on your face or putting it on the beauty blender and then making dots all over your face. Like, kind of just like paint it on. You don't have to put too much, like, using the word paint makes it seem like you use a lot, but no, like, you know, spread it out with the brush first. Is what I recommend. I mean, that's what I like to do. Just makes it a little easier. Make sure you get that net. Concealer. You already know. Key areas up under my eyes, tip of the nose, bridge of the nose, a little bit of the forehead if you have a big forehead, a big part of the forehead if you have a little forehead, a little bit of the chin. Blend, blend, blend. Oh, shout out my girl Armani though. She's my lash plug, okay? I need to fill in though, so this is like a good 2.5 to 3 weeks. So I'm definitely getting one this upcoming weekend because yeah, it's just no other option. Alright, on to setting translucent powder, loose powder from Mercier. I also have the medium brown, or whatever it's called, I don't remember. I might have just made that up. I don't bake because I just feel like it's too, like, flashy. Yeah, that's why. That's the only reason. Brushes. I just cleaned them. That's an essential part of flawless makeup, y'all. At least if you don't feel like cleaning your beauty blender all the time, like, have some extra. Every now and then buy one. Oh, contour. Dang, I'm over here just slacking. I'm just chilling. Alright, this contour, I don't even remember what the palette is, but I got it from Target. I'll put it in the description. Oh, wait. Get that jawline. I love contouring and warming my face up. That's my favorite part. Especially the forehead. I'm about to go in and get my nose. I'm a klutz and think it's funny all the time. Boy. Y'all know what sucks? I just realized the whole part of my video is erased. And yeah, I know I can undo it, but you just have to wait till the next video to watch me put on blush and highlighter. But don't worry, I got you. Alright, that's it for now. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like, comment, follow me on Instagram, Beauties by Sammmieepoo, and stay tuned for more. Peace.